Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your Motorola Razr 2019, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store. So let's open it. I'm going online and here I am. Click on the search, type here Opera Mini. Oh, what was that? Let's do it again. Enter here, go back to the Play Store, type Opera Mini and just install this application. Now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open. Click on the continue, allow and continue, and right now click on the search. We are going to type the web address. I will go for our website HardReset.Info. And here's the notification that 2 ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with AdBlock Plus. So right now when you are going to scroll our page, you cannot find here any ads. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.